Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. I usually don't do videos on just little single axles, but this is a really cool little single axle trailer that we have in stock. This one is a 2018 Haulmark 6x12 plus V. So this trailer is going to measure about 13.5 total, and it's got a lot of really cool features to it. It's got the two-tone white with the black back, 3,500 pound axle. You guys can see it does have the aluminum wheels on it. Side vents. It also has the stabilizer jacks, which is a bonus when you guys have single axle trailers. This one is a rear ramp door. We've got it backed up here, but kind of give you guys a good shot of that ramp. We have LED tail lights. Come around to the front here. This one does have the Armortech technology. Haulmark takes their frames as well as cargo, dips it, and it helps with rust and corrosion in the future. This one also has a diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and up the V-nose corner. Give you guys a good shot of here. Side vents. We've got one up here in this top corner you guys can see, and then one down in the bottom corner, which will help with some natural ventilation in the trailer. Also comes with the RV lock. You guys can see that. You've got a nice door hold back right there as well. That RV lock gives you guys this piece right here, which is a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. Normally with a cam bar, this piece will be missing, and there's no way to close the inside, the door from the inside. This one also has a nice little kick plate, transition plate right here, and diamond plate. And you have Drymax walls and floor. Drymax is the moisture wicking product that we use. It's extremely durable, doesn't absorb the water like plywood. It won't warp and shrink, and the Drymax then is also underneath the trailer, which is a bonus. And again, you've got it on the walls and the floor. This one's got an LED light with a toggle switch right here and a spare tire already mounted and ready to go. And there's that other side vent right down there. 6'6" interior height, so plenty of clearance in here as well. It's nice and tall. And like I said, it's a really cool, well-equipped little 6x12 trailer. So I wanted to show it to you guys and let you know it's here and for sale. Here's the front of your V-nose right here as well. So you guys can always reach us by calling 303-688-8485 or check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.